Hi, my name is Jenny, and today we're going to do some crafting with items you find around the house. I'm going to show you how to make beads out of a cereal box. For this project, you'll need a cereal box. I've cut mine up already. A pair of scissors, a skewer, or in my case, a chopstick, some white glue, and a glass. So let's get started. Cut a tapered strip of your cereal box. If it helps you to use a ruler and draw lines on the back of your box to help you guide your cutting, you can go ahead and do that first. But I just freestyled it. Now that we have our strip, I've found that running my thumb along the bottom helps to curl it, and that gives us a bit of a help as we wrap it around our skewer. Now we take the wide part of our strip with the plain side down and start wrapping around our skewer, which is a little tough at first, but it gets easier as our bead gets wider. And you want to make sure to keep your taper centered. So keep that pointy part in the middle. Okay, so we've come to the end. Now take your glue and put a dab at that top pointy part. And you want to hold this down for a second. Make sure to hold it good for a good few seconds so it doesn't unravel. The last time I did this, I didn't hold it long enough and it completely unraveled. All that hard work. Okay, I think we have a bead. So when you finish making your beads, it's time to seal them. And we've saved this part for last because it can get a little messy. If you have a foam brush at home, this could be something good to use. But I don't have one around here, so I'm going to use my finger. Now we'll take a generous, let's open this up to the generous portion. Let's not close it, let's open it up. And use a generous glob of glue on here. There we go. And we want to spin, 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 and even coat all over our bead. To make sure we get it good and coated nice and evenly to protect that bead from whatever we put it through. Once we've coated all of our beads, we set them on our glass and let them dry. Now, if you have someone to give you a wet cloth, that would be nice, but I don't have anyone, so I'm going to make a mess. And voila! Once your beads are dry, you have cereal box beads. Who knew you could make beads at home with things you just have around the house? Thank you for joining me with this crafting adventure. My name is Jenny. I hope you had a good time. Thank you so much. Bye.